Hi, to clear the concept of nominal account more, let's enter some of the entries into direct expenses so that we have a full-fledged trading account and we are ready to analyze our trading account. I have here 6 entries. Okay, and the entry for any expense is expense account debit to bank account. And why is expense account debited? Because expense is a nominal account. Nominal accounts, the golden rule is debit all the expenses and losses, credit all the incomes and gains. Hence it is an expense, hence it should be debited. And this right here is a personal account, which says, what is the rule of personal account? Debit the giver, credit the receiver. Or nope, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Hence our bank, that is us, will be giving the expenses, hence bank will be credited. Now quickly make these entries, and these entries will be all in payment F5, so you don't have to worry about it. And also, as there are 3 dates together, we can make one combined entry and two, so we have to make basically 3 entries only. Yeah, opening tally right here, go to voucher F5, payment is already there for me. If you want to choose F5, you can choose right here. Right here, where are you? Oops, payment F5. Now change the date first. The date is 1st April 19. 1st April 19. So these are the wages that are paid to the labor. We don't have that account. Alt C, wages, indirect expense or direct expense. Direct expense, direct expenses. Inventories values are affected. No. Yes, wages amount is 20,000 rupees is paid to the labor that is assembling our mini size TV. And yeah, no check number, we don't have these details. Yes. And the other 3 entries, these one right here, we can make them together because they are of the same date. Let's see if we can do it. 1/5/19 Citibank account, and the first is carriage inwards. What's direct expense? Control A. How much is the amount? 1200. Power charges. Alt C, power charges. Now a quick way to do it is, as direct expense is already selected and all these figures are okay, we don't have to put anything right here. You can choose accept, or you can press Ctrl A plus A, that is this right here. So yeah, Ctrl A and the entry is done. Power charges amount is 30,000. 30,000. Nope. One more entry right here, that is factory insurance. Now insurance is also necessary for any product, and yeah, that is a government law. Control A, 4,000. Enter, keep entering till the time. If you don't want to see this window every time, you can turn off this window by F11 or F12, F11 maybe, so that it will not ask you for checks. Paid direct expense. Direct expense, accept. So these 3 entries are made together, and these 2 will be made together, that is factory rent and taxes and factory repairs. 1818. Let's change the date first. 18. Citibank account. Alt C, factory rents and taxes. Direct expense, Control A. How much is the amount? 2000. Alt C, factory repairs. repairs, direct expense, control A, 1000, and yeah, we are good to go. Direct expense entry. Yeah, so we are done with all these entries right here, and let's check out this profit and loss account ledger right here, that is P. To look into detailed version, you have to press F1, Alt F1. That is the detailed version. I'll just hit Alt F1. Right here you can see all these direct expenses that came, direct expenses, and yeah, this has reduced our gross profit to 13,91,000. But now we have completed this trading account and we are good to go and move on to the profit and loss account. Now also you don't have to worry that this format is, why should you learn this format, because this format is not as per the reporting standard, hence this is a waste of time. But no, this is the blueprint, that is how a reporting format is created, and this is a must format. Also, if you want to see the reporting format, I'll show you. Go to Alt S or click on schedule 6. As soon as you click on schedule 6, you will see the magic for yourself. Schedule 6 right here. I'll click on it. Wow, so this right here is the reporting format, and yeah, that is how a balance sheet is always shown. 2 years figures are always entered, 2019, 20, and 18, 19. There are various options right here, that is you can compare a company, you can enter the same profit and loss account of other company if you have it. Note number, master config, additional info, new head, show negative stock. Let's see what's in compare company. And yeah, I can open any of these company, and as soon as I enter it, it will show the balances of that company also. Hence right here is revenue from operation, other income, cost of material consumed, and yeah, these are basically various heads that are automatically organized by Tally. Depreciation and amortization are none. Yeah, so what is the profit before tax? Profit is 9,37,697. This is a reporting standard, but we'll not be looking into it because we are going to learn by raw. And yeah, see you in the next lecture.